From ancient times in Apsna, there is a legend of a hero named Abraskil. He performed many feats of bravery and heroism in his life. Now, I'm going to tell you about one of his greatest acts of valor. Since his childhood, Abraskil had been testing his power and competing with bisons. He had a Pegasus called Bzo. They became lifelong friends after Abraskil freed the Pegasus and saved its life. When the country was in danger, with enemies attacking, Abraskil and Bzo stood side by side, fighting and defeating them. On the day of this epic story, Abraskil was at home waiting for his breakfast. Here's what happened next.
Huh? Bzo, what an amazing thing you've made.
Huh, there is nothing I can't make.
What is it? What is it called?
It's a gramophone. I made it myself.
Remarkable, the things you come up with. Oh, what a nice day we're having. Listen, when will the abista be cooked?
No? Can't you see the fire is going out? You love abista, but you don't bring any firewood.
You should have told me earlier. I'll be right back with some firewood. What? Why are there so many people gathered outside? What's going on? Oh, welcome. Please, come in.
Greetings, Abraskil. We're here because we need your help.
What brings you here? I haven't heard of any incidents.
Haven't you heard? A huge giant is about to attack our village. The villagers are in fear. No one can stop him except you. What do you say?
I've been waiting a long time to perform some kind of feat.
My
I've been
head is
stuck at home,
spinning.
dying of boredom.
Oh, hallelujah. I am ready! Ha! Look how much strength I have and nowhere to use it. Yeehaw!
Oh, Abraskil, my son, listen to me. I too want to take part in this task. I'm still strong. I am only 120 years old. I can handle myself. Watch this.
Stop the old man! Why didn't anyone stop him?
I see your strength, so you'd better stay here and protect the village while we're away.
Oh, well, maybe you're right. I'll better protect the village, Abraskil. Don't worry, I'll go get my
For
weapon.
God's sake, just stay at home.
Look at this, an exemplary old man.
Don't worry, Abraskil.
I'll go and get ready for the journey. Be right back. I'm ready now. Let's hit the road. Let's go, Bzo. Fly to the sky.
Abraskil, you forgot. My wings haven't fully grown yet.
Okay, we'll go on foot then.
That I can do.
Dear people, have no fear. Consider your problem resolved.
If you only knew what awaits you, Abraskil.
Go forward, Bzo. Forward! Giddy up. Be strong. You said you were ready for heroism. And now you're already tired.
Look at the size of you. You're too big. You broke my back. Okay, you go, I'll catch up.
Okay, fine. Take a rest. I'll go ahead. Oh, these must be the giant's footprints. They will show me the way.
My path ahead, the sun's shining on my head. If you're a hero with your strength, help the ones who are in need. Oh, the hero, I can reach the sea button. If one needs me, I can help. Oh, the hero, I'm like hope or fire. I can walk through strong rocks, smashing them. I can reach the highest peak and enjoy the sea while I seek to destroy all enemies. If I see they're on my way, oh, the hero, I can reach the sea button. If one needs me, I can help. Oh, the hero, I'm like hope or fire. I can walk through strong rocks, breaking them. Fight them all, so my land can be in peace, so my people enjoy life, nothing better I can dream. Oh, the hero, I can reach the sea button. If one needs me, I can help. Oh, the hero, I'm like hope or fire. I can walk through strong rocks, smashing them. Oh, the hero, I can reach the sea button. If one needs me, I can help. Oh, the hero, I'm like hope or fire. I can walk through strong rocks, breaking them.
They're gonna eat me!
Seems I'm lost. Where am I? Shh. What's that? Who's coming? Huh? Yay! It's none other than Bzol himself.
Get out of my way! Abraskill! Step aside! What are you gawking at? Come on, keep up!
Wow. What a miracle! What's that he's riding?
Abraskill, we're here. Maybe we can take a rest for a while.
It's here!
Huh?
Bzo, shh. Be quiet. Don't make any noise.
Why aren't you sleeping? Woman, let's get out of here. Abraskill. Hey, wait for me. It seems they know nothing about cleaning us here. They're up their necks in garbage.
Huh. They just didn't know about our visit. Here's the giant's castle.
Hey man, be careful!
Hello? Is anybody home?
Abraskill, I don't think there is anybody here. Let's back home, huh?
Wait a second. I can hear some voices.
Oh. What is this? Who are you? What do you want here?
Huh? Ha! Is this the giant?
Who disturbs our peace? Tell me, was that you? Huh?
Dad, those pipsqueaks are laughing at me.
Abrascul, I have an urgent matter I need to attend to. You stay here, I'll be right back in a jiffy.
I am Abrascul.
Huh?
I'm here to talk to you about something.
What?
Huh?
I'll punish you for offending my kid!
If that's what you want, come here then.
Where are you?
Take that. Huh? Such thick skin he has.
So you are the one they call the hero! Get up and fight! Get up! Get up quickly!
Did you say your vista is ready?
Get up! A true hero! Hold on! Where are you running to, Abrascul?
Catch me if you can.
3, 4, 7, 8. Abrascul, wait! I'm just warming up. Be with you in a second.
My father is going to win.
I'll take that.
What are you doing? Whoa, it hurts! My leg! It hurts!
Come
it
here.
hurts like crazy!
So long.
Abrascul, let's see how you get away from the giant. Huh? What is this? Oh, my poor back! Now it's completely gone, stupid oaf! I can't defeat this, Abrascul. I'll take my chances and leave now. Here he comes!
Oh my head! Abrascul!
Get up,
leave
giant.
Me alone,
Let's finish this.
You win. I can't take it anymore. The winner is Abrascul!
High five. Did you see that, Bazo?
Thus, Abrascul and the giant met each other. Despite mutual grievances, they became friends.
Abrascul, I wasn't going to attack the village.
Oh,
Someone misled you and pulled you after this. You are a hero, and I am a hero. Better to be friends, I say. You can come visit me anytime riding your amazing Pegasus.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree with you more, giant. From now on, let's be friends.
By the way, let's be honest, you didn't have to hit my leg that hard, did you?
I didn't mean that, my friend. It's my hands. They're too strong.
After Abrascul made friends with the giant, he rode his beloved Pegasus and returned to the village. As for the sneaky imp, he completely gave up on trying to destroy Abrascul. He finally admitted that there is no one that could ever defeat Abrascul. After making a good name for himself, Abrascul came home and people met him with adulations and open arms. This heroic story became one of the most famous legends of Apsna.
Why are you sitting? Let's dance! Hey! Hassa! Hassa!
Goodbye, friends. Until we meet again. Ah!